You know that you can start making money online with just a few hours of learning? Today, I'm sharing 3 more easy skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month, no experience required. Stick around because these skills are beginner-friendly, low effort, and perfect for anyone looking to boost their income. Let's dive in. The first skill is video editing. With video content dominating the internet, businesses and creators are willing to pay top dollar for skilled editors who can create professional quality videos. Here's how you can make money with video editing. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Behance. Work with content creators. Partner with YouTubers, podcasters, or influencers who need help editing their videos. Sell templates or effects. Create and sell pre-made video templates or effects on marketplaces like Motion Array or Envato Elements. The average video editor earns between $40 to $150 per hour, depending on their experience. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can begin. Here's how you can learn video editing. Free resources. YouTube channels like Premiere Gal or Peter McKinnon offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Skillshare, video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro, or Udemy, video editing for beginners. Practice tools. Use free tools like DaVinci Resolve or HitFilm Express to get started. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance video editing gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable editing services. Behance, ideal for showcasing your portfolio and attracting clients. Now, let's explore the second skill. The second skill is online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can make money by teaching others online. Here's how you can make money with online tutoring. Tutoring platforms. Offer your services on platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, or Tutor.com. Teach your expertise. Create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. One-on-one sessions. Offer personalized tutoring sessions via Zoom or Skype. The average online tutor earns between $15 to $50 per hour, depending on their expertise. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn online tutoring. Free resources. YouTube channels like Teachers Tech or blogs like Tutorful Blog offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, online teaching for beginners, or Skillshare, how to teach online. Best platforms, VIPKid, great for teaching English to students abroad. Chegg Tutors, perfect for tutoring in academic subjects. Udemy, ideal for creating and selling your own courses. Once you're ready, you can start earning by sharing your knowledge with others. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third skill is virtual assistants. As more businesses go remote, the demand for virtual assistants who can handle tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer support is skyrocketing. Here's how you can make money as a virtual assistant. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Belay. Specialize, focus on niche services like social media management, bookkeeping, or podcast editing. Build long-term clients. Work with entrepreneurs or small businesses that need ongoing support. The average virtual assistant earns between $20 to $50 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn virtual assistants. Free resources, blogs like Virtual Assistant, or YouTube channels like Vanessa Lau offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Coursera, Virtual Assistant Training, or Udemy. Become a virtual assistant. Practice tools. Use tools like Trello for task management or Calendly for scheduling. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for beginners to find small projects. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick VA services. LinkedIn, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for virtual assistants. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations! You now know 3 more easy skills that can help you make money online fast. Video editing, online tutoring, and virtual assistants. Whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify your income streams, these skills are beginner-friendly and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small. Focus on one skill and scale as you go. Be consistent, show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.